Again we'll start a small disturbance. Barber. Pebbles zone. Pebbles will be present. Tarai means marshy forest. Burger, old alluvial soil, and Kadar, new alluvial soil. Now next is nothing but a peninsular plateaus. Peninsular plateaus. First of all, what is meant by plateau? A land surrounded by three seas is called as a peninsular plateau or plateau, and it is the oldest landmass made up of igneous rock as well as metamorphic rock. How the igneous rocks are formed? Due to the volcanic eruptions. How the metamorphic rocks are formed? Due to the action of climatic conditions or atmospheric factors. So based on what are that atmospheric factor means regarding the air and water, continuously water and air when falls on the rock, slowly it will changes into metamorphic rock. So these igneous rock as well as metamorphic rock which are present in our peninsular plateaus. Okay, next, Narmada river divides the peninsular plateau. When you see regarding the map, in that map we can see the peninsular plateaus is divided by a river that is called as Narmada river. This Narmada river divides the peninsular plateau, and this peninsular plateau divided into two. One is Central Highlands as well as Deccan Highlands plateaus, Malwa plateau as well as Bundagan plateau. And what are the rivers are present means Chambal, Betwa, Ken and Son. These rivers are present in Central Highlands. So whereas Deccan Highlands plateaus are largest plateaus. In this inverted shape, deltas are present, and mostly in Deccan Highland plateaus, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats as well as biodiversity are present. In Western Ghats as well as Eastern Ghats, biodiversity will be present. Okay, this is about a peninsular plateau. Now, not only that one, in Central Highlands, mostly rich in minerals will be present more and more. In our India, in which state minerals will be present more means Odisha, Jharkhand as well as Chhattisgarh. Not only in that, Malwa plateau, Chota Nagpur plateau also rich minerals will be present. Jharkhand, Bihar and West Bengal. This Chota Nagpur plateau is present in Jharkhand, Bihar as well as West Bengal. So this is regarding the peninsular plateaus. Okay, next we'll see Indian desert. In our India, okay na, Thar desert will be present. In India, hottest desert also present, that is called as Thar desert. Mostly is present in western side in Rajasthan. In Thar desert, only river will be present, that is Luni river. Less than 150 millimeter annual rainfall takes place, అంటే తక్కువ rainfall ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. So next, in this Indian desert, what will present means thorny shrubs were present. Example, cactus trees or plants, etc. Now we'll see regarding the coastal plains. You know the direction, northern side, southern, east and west. East side Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea will be present. Now we'll see coastal plains. So western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains will be present. So these western coastal plains are present between Arabian Sea as well as Western Ghats. In between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats, coastal plains are present. At the same time, eastern coastal plains are present between Bay of Bengal as well as Eastern Ghats. Between the Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats, eastern coastal plains are present. Next, If they are asking regarding the differences between the western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains, means you can write like this directly. Western coastal plains are narrow, eastern coastal plains are wider. Wider means vedelpu. Okay na? Next, Konkan Ghat. Western coastal plains, mostly it is present at Gujarat, from starting Gujarat to Kerala, and here from West Bengal to totally Tamil Nadu. But in your syllabus, this much only present. Konkan coast, Canara coast, Malabar coast. Konkan coast is present starting from Maharashtra and Goa. Canara, Ka. You have to keep it in your mind. Canara coast, Karnataka. Malabar coast, Kerala. Like that you have to keep it in mind. Next, and which side? Eastern side. Totally 3. Okay na? So Utkal in Odisha, Sarkar, Andhra coast or Andhra Pradesh coast, Coromandel, Tamil Nadu. Okay, probably in eastern coastal plains, delta formation takes place. Okay, regarding the Mahanadi. Okay, next it is also used for the fertile soil. Next, islands. Last topic is nothing but islands. First of all, what is meant by islands? A land surrounded by 4 sides covered by a water. Okay, now this is the land. Land around 4 sides, water it will be present. So that is called as islands. Okay, now whereas in plateaus, land covered by 3 sides water bodies, but here 4 sides water bodies will be present. That is the differences between the plateaus as well as islands. In our India, regarding Andaman Nicobar Island as well as Lakshadweep. Okay na? So Andaman Nicobar Island is present in Bay of Bengal, whereas Lakshadweep present in Arabian Sea. Okay, and next in Andaman Nicobar capital, now it was changed new name, that is called as Sri Vijayapuram. This name was given by Union Home Minister Amit Shah, September 13, 2024. Okay, from that day onwards, the capital city of Andaman and Nicobar capital is Sri Vijayapuram. Now like that only Lakshadweep capital is nothing but Kavarati. Okay, next in Andaman Nicobar volcanic origins takes place, volcanic eruptions, but it is not active now, it is dead only. And next in Andaman Nicobar rich forests will be present. Not only that one, in Andaman Nicobar island Indira Point also present, but up to in 2004 it was totally immersed in Bay of Bengal. Now it is not there in Andaman Nicobar island. Now Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is present in Arabian Sea. In that mostly coral islands are present. So this topic is enough for my dear 10th class students. You can make these points in your notebook, and kindly my request, read thoroughly. Okay na? Thank you for all my students, and all the best for your preparation. Thank you.